tell what network provider your iPhone is locked to. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your iPhone's carrier lock information. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap General. Next, tap About. Scroll down and look for Carrier Lock or Network Provider Lock, depending on your iOS version. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked and can be used with compatible network providers. If it shows a specific carrier or indicates that restrictions are active, your iPhone may be locked to that network provider. You can also check the network and carrier information on the same page to see which network your iPhone is currently using. Keep in mind that the carrier listed as your current network isn't necessarily the carrier your iPhone is locked to. The carrier lock or network provider lock section is the important one. If your iPhone is locked and you want to use another carrier, contact the network provider that locked the device and ask about their unlocking requirements. And that's it. Now you know how to check whether your iPhone is locked to a specific network provider. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful iPhone tips and tutorials.